Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning we're going to go back to the XML web service stuff in VA Smalltalk, and we're going to take a look at some of the XML files that got generated for us, and some of these are going to be changed. Now I'm going to thank Diane Engels at Instantiations. Without her help I wouldn't have gotten this far, so just be aware that Instantiations really does lend a hand when you need help, so feel free to call them or contact them. They're great guys. So with that said, come in here and you'll see these 4 XML files. We've got here the counter.wsdl, so let's edit that one, take a look at it. And you see this is a very small one. It just says this is the counter service. It tells us where to find the servlet, so it's going to look for it on this port. So that's pretty much all that's going on here. The next thing we want to look at is this counter file here, which is just the XML file. So we'll edit that one with Notepad++, see what that looks like. And this one is a little more detailed. You see I've got my subtract value and add value APIs defined there. And I'll provide this in a zip file for you to download, so you don't need to memorize what's on the screen here. Over here, counter client, this is the client file, so we'll edit that one. And you take a look here, this has all the stuff, and again, lists these things down here, these 2 things, and references our specific WSDL file. This is important. You have to reference the right WSDL file or else you're going to be off lost in the woods, so that tells it where to go. And finally, we have our counter interface, and we have a counter server so that we can deploy a server. And let's edit this one. I'll leave the other one for you to investigate on your own. And this is the interface file that lists all of the interfaces we're going to use, so it specifies everything in WSDL so that any other client that wanted to interact with our server could do so by parsing this file and then generating its supporting code. So that's everything you need to have to set this up. What I'm going to do is leave it at that for today, include these files for you to take a look at, and then the next time we'll go ahead and we'll invoke these services and show you how it all hooks up together and runs. So it's better for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.